morning, everyone, and welcome to weekly vlog number 47. I'm currently on my way to the gym to get my workout in. I kind of want to go to Marshall's later and Home Goods. That might just happen later on in the week. So I just got back from the gym and I wanted something a little different for lunch today, and I actually stopped by Buc-ee's. We're so lucky to live literally right next to one. I was like, why not go get my favorite sandwich ever to make the trip worth going there, because you have to find parking. It's always busy there. I was bad, really bad. And I got this key lime pie dessert and it looks amazing. So I'm probably not gonna have this right now, but I will have it later. So I'm currently about to tackle this entire mountain of laundry. I'm just glad I have some company, you know? And here's some more laundry. So there's about 3 loads of laundry that we still haven't folded. All right, so that took longer than expected, but it's done. And it's almost dark out. This is like actually heavy.
Yeah?
Like, I feel like I'm gonna break something.
It's going to fall down now.
That's 15 pounds.
15 pounds. Wow, here, let me try.
I feel like we need to get this for Eileen or something. She would love something like
She would suffocate.
She would suffocate her little self. Here, you want to try it?
Yeah, let me try. Here, hold the camera.
Here, I don't want it to touch the floor. Doesn't it feel good though?
What the heck?
It's like a hug.
Yeah.
Can that be my blanket that you get me?
Do you really want one of these?
And that leopard, I love that leopard. $60, and that's on sale. Oh my god, you almost... That would have been so funny. Doesn't even fit. Take off the lid, George.
It'll fit.
This is why we need a truck.
No, we'll just put the cart in the box.
Oh, perfect. Christmas trees. How cool. They're very cute. Oh, I like this one. What's up, Houston? This is Alicia. Hello guys, it's Friday and George is home.
Welcome to weekly vlog number 47.
Yes. So, as you can see behind me, we are actually having our annual Christmas decorating party.
Yes, today, party time. Ooh,
So you won't see much of that in this video, but
no,
you will see it soon. The
Vlogmas
kickoff.
preview.
What is my hair doing right now?
It's dry.
Yeah, because yesterday, I washed my hair yesterday and it took hours to dry. Yeah, I just finished doing my hair. We're about to have some breakfast / lunch, I guess brunch. From our
brunch is barbecue.
from one of our favorite places.
So on Fridays, there's this 2 for $6.99 Sloppy Joe, I guess. What is it called? Brisket?
No, it's a Sloppy Joe.
Okay, Sloppy Joe, whatever. We share some sliced sausage and my favorite, bacon wrapped chicken breast stuffed with boudin. Oh yeah.
This is absolutely delicious. Actually, all of these are freaking bomb. But we only have these whenever George gets out of work early on a Friday. So maybe some of you don't know what a Sloppy Joe is, but here in America, they're very popular. Well, at least in the South, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I used to hate Sloppy Joes growing up from like the cafeteria.
Yeah.
at school. But this, it's so good.
So good. So we were at the hospital with my grandmother who wasn't feeling too well. But now she's feeling okay-ish. After this, we're gonna go pick up Matthew and Amalia, and we're gonna, oh, and Eileen. Right?
No, Eileen's coming to the house by herself after work. How do you know we don't need it? You don't know. You never know.
I know.
Just in case.
Sure. Non-sponsored. Okay, how many checkers do you want? Oh my god. Look at that. Cool. And look at this. Cool. Snowman face. Maybe she likes one of these. Take them. She's hard to get to. Oh. The whole thing's moving. She's like a wild animal. I try to get close to her and she just walks away. I told you, silly.
Are these boys?
No, they're girls. You want a medium?
I've been robbed.
What the? Oh my god. Hello, baby. What are you doing?
Going over some Christmas music. Bronzer in the eyes?
I can see it in your face that you're losing weight.
Thanks.
It's a good thing you've been working.
Okay, Amalia.
Hey, I'm just trying to help you get content.
We just got home from dropping off our siblings. It's been a fun but productive week. We've gotten so much done. Are you falling asleep back there? He's so sleepy and he has to go to work tomorrow. So I don't blame him. So we'll see you guys next week for weekly vlog number 48. And it's Thanksgiving week. You ready to eat?
Yes.
Hopefully we get to vlog Thanksgiving week because I don't think we have a Thanksgiving vlog ever.
Right?
Yeah. It just gets so busy. So I'm gonna try my best. But yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed this week's vlog and we'll catch you guys next week. Bye.